I'm Lauren with Pack Hacker, and today we're going to be taking a detailed look at the Osprey Transporter Toiletry Kit Large, which I've been testing for the last 2 weeks. Let's dive in. The outside of this toiletry kit has a DWR coating, which you can kind of see. It's got like a very shiny look to it. And so that makes it easy if you're, in the bathroom and water gets on it. It comes off very nicely, very easily. You can see there's like a little bit almost of like these watermarks you can see from previous use, but it does have a nice and sleek look to it. Big Osprey logo right on the front, but there's a few external features on the outside here. It is fairly simple. We have a little logo right here. We have this back carry handle, which honestly is just for quick grabs. It made it really nice and easy to pull out of a pack. And then we have these clips right here as well. And these are actually called like the swap and go, and these work with the transporter line. These are little clips that will help lock it right into place for you. And then on the outside as well, we have these long zipper pulls. This is like a paracord, and then a like little plastic. It's kind of rounded, and so it's nice and easy to grip onto. And then there are pull tabs on the bottom as well. So when you are unzipping it, you can get a little bit of a grip and sort of open it from one side. And since they are, it's a loud zipper, since they are double zippers, you can pull it from either side. So it is really easy to open and shut even when it is packed up pretty full, but it does have that nice sleek look to it despite its size. So because this is a fairly simple pouch here, toiletry kit, we've just got this front compartment outside of this main compartment. So this is additional storage for you. It opens with that same zipper and zipper pull as the front. And there are there's only like one additional feature in here, and then the rest of this is open. So talking about this little clip here first, this is actually what makes this a hanging pouch. And so what you would do is you would pull it out, you would unclip it, put it around a towel rack, close it, and then it would just hang open or hang like this. And so you can have it when the pouch is open. I can show you what that is like. So it just sort of hangs like this, and it makes some sort of a shelf, or you can hang it up and leave it closed and just sort of out of the way. There is also a little bit of an adjustment here. I didn't really find myself needing to use the adjustment. I just sort of hung it up, and I didn't have a towel rack that was like this wide. But if you did, then it would be really great for that. So another thing is that it is kind of stitched in right there and in the dead center. And so all of this extra strap here, if you put stuff in this pocket, it's gonna sort of get in the way. So I never really ended up storing a ton in here. I just felt like the access was a little bit clunky, especially if it was hanging up. But what I do have here, you can see I have some bobby pins way down at the bottom. You can barely even see them. So this main compartment sort of curves into this space. And so when you do have things like these bobby pins, I've just got a ton in here because I was in a wedding, and so they just are very much so out of the way, but I can't really get to them. This is in the way a little bit here. And so this pocket is really best if you have like flatter items. Like if you want to put like a palette in here or something like that, you could also do like makeup brushes, or really it's like that kind of gear that you don't really need to get to a ton, but it's nice to have the additional storage if you need it. Opening this toiletry bag up, you can see there is a decent amount of space in here. This is about as packed out as I had it. This is all of the stuff that I took with me to that wedding. And so with all of it packed up in here, it does stand on its own. You've got 3 liters of space, and it is fairly roomy. What kind of comes into play more than anything is how you arrange the gear in here and whether or not that makes it easier or harder to close everything in the end. So on this side here, you can see all of my little bottles are like lined up very nicely, which is very satisfying to look at. And then over here, it gets a little bit chaotic. And so if you do have really consistent bottles, that's going to be a lot easier. What isn't as easy as when you have makeup. If you are somebody who wears makeup, then your bottles can vary in size and things like that. And that's where I started to run into problems. So kind of going pocket by pocket here, we're going to look, starting on the back, we've got this little just liner pocket. And this is where I stored a lot of like eyeliners and all that kind of stuff, where they're like skinnier and they're easy to layer. What's hard about that though is that this pocket is so deep that all of the things just layered so easily, and then it was hard. It was easy for me to lose things on the bottom, so I would kind of have to go digging for things. And so, you know, say I wanted to get to something at the very, very bottom, I'd have to stick my hand all the way down there. So that's something to keep in mind. And then on the outside here, we have these mesh elastic pockets where you could fit a fair amount of things inside of there. I kept that for like those kind of like awkwardly shaped things I wasn't quite sure what to do with, but just wanted to keep separate. But if you don't want to use them, like this one's empty here, you can see it lays pretty nicely flat and out of the way. And then you have two of these equal compartments here. Obviously, the more that you stick in here, the more it's going to eat into that space. And same with the other side with these pockets here, which I'll get into in a second. Then we have this zippered pocket here, which I have just with small things that I kind of want to keep out of the way, like tweezers and cosmetic scissors. And then the inside, this kind of just opens up like a little pocket. And this is where I kept all of my makeup brushes as well. Kind of the same deal as this. You have to like kind of shove your hand in there in order to get to it. And then on this side here is just essentially a duplicate of this space. What's different over here are these two slip pockets. I didn't see a huge use case for them. To be honest, I found myself just using them to use them almost. Like it didn't really seem super functional. So if I were to take these out here and just sort of move things away, then we have the space to slide that in. And that's great, but it didn't really seem like I had a huge need for it. And so for the most part, I just sort of ignored it, but it is there if you want it. So another thing to mention is that this main compartment here fits full-size bottles. And so I have an example for you, just a large sunscreen here. And what I found myself doing, kind of like these pockets here, is when I started to run out of space, I would just start layering up. And so that fits in just fine right there and closes as well. And so if you have those full-size bottles, that is an option for you. It won't fit this way. As you can see, it's taller than the actual pouch itself. So that's something to keep in mind, but you can technically layer sideways. But I did find that because I was layering up so much that when I went to actually use this, if I had it hanging up and it was this full, I would just take all of my stuff out. Same if it was on the counter. It was when it was a little bit more empty that I felt like it was super functional. If I were to leave it hanging, I can sort of grab stuff as I was going. So there you have it, the Osprey Transporter Toiletry Kit Large. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we'll see you in the next one.